Hi, boys and girls. This math worksheet is exactly like we did yesterday. So it is page 297 at the bottom, and you'll see Daniel down here at the bottom. And there's a little girl up on top with the yellow Unifix cubes. We can practice the first one that they did for you with your Unifix cubes if you have them out. You don't have to have them since they have them drawn for you, but if you want to use them, you can. So up at the top, the problem on the top starts with 5 Unifix cubes. I'm going to count out my 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have one too many. 5 Unifix cubes. And then we're going to add on 3 more. So I have my 3 brown ones. So 5 and 3 makes how many all together? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I have 5 and 3 more is 8. And you will notice that they are using the same color Unifix cubes instead of different colors here. But that's just like the boats and the pictures they had yesterday. But you're just going to put the 2 groups together. They separated the 2 groups, but even though they're the same color. So you're going to start out 2 green ones and 4 green ones is how many green ones all together? Okay, so you're going to add, put your numbers in, 2 green and 4 green is how many all together? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is 6. Okay, you're going to do number 2 all by yourself, the same way together. Number 3 all by yourself. We're back to using the boats. One group, write the number. The second group, write the number. Is how many boats all together? Do number 4 all by yourself. And I'm going to do number 5 and number 6 with you. So you may hit pause right now and finish 1, 2, 3, and 4. Or you can go ahead and do 5 and 6 with me and go back and do them. Here we go. Number 5. Number 5 gives you all the dots. So I can put my dots up just like they have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So they want you to listen to a story and see if you can figure out the math problem. So I'm reading the story that's down on the bottom in the directions, okay? Here we go. Draw the other group of counters and then write an addition sentence to match the story. Here we go. Ready? There are some boats in the water. We don't know how many yet. 6 more boats come. Okay, so these are the 6 boats that come in the water. There are 9 boats in all. So 9 boats in all, we know, is the answer to the problem. And over here is the second group. So we know that is 6. So we need to figure out how many boats were in the water in the beginning. So how do we figure that out? Well, we need to start with our 6. Here are my 6 on the board. And I'm going to add to my 6 to turn this into 9. You ready? So we're going to say 6, and I'm going to add green ones until I get to 9. You ready? 6, 7, 8, 9. It equals 9 altogether. How many more did we add? We put in 3 green ones to get to 9. So I'm going to draw 3 over here, and I'm just doing circles like they did. 3 and 6 is 9. Okay, I'll show you that up close. That's what yours should look like. Now we're going to do number 6 together. And number 6, where you're going to do the same thing. Listen to a little story, and you're going to make the problem. But notice they've already given you the answer. So the 2 numbers you're going to draw are going to make 6 all together. Okay, here's the problem. You're going to use Unifix cubes. So you can use your cubes and then draw it, or you can just draw them and not use the cubes. It's up to you. So you're going to make 6. Let's see, I'm going to use the brown ones. So I'm going to start, because we know we have to have 6 all together. So I'm going to start with 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I need to take one off. So you're going to start with 6. And then you're going to take, if you have your Unifix cubes, they'll be really helpful. You're going to break 6 in half so that you can make the problem. So I'm going to break them right in half to make them equal. When you can make them equal by being the same size, the same amount. So to make 6, I can have 3 Unifix cubes and 3 Unifix cubes, and it makes 6 all together. Just like my blue dots were from the problem before. 3 and 3 make 6, and they're the same amount. So I can do 3 and 3, and that makes 6. 3 and 3 is 6. So that is number 5 and number 6. And that's what your paper should look like. I will go back and check this math paper and look for your beautiful numbers once you have finished the other problems all by yourself. It's fun to add together, isn't it? You can make all kinds of problems using your Unifix cubes. Bye.